Got a whole pack of those?
Yeah. Fucking sparklers.
Oh, I take a pee, something fierce. Then I peed and I feel good. Get the what? Video? Mate.
I thought there was a fire behind. What?
You have an open door and a flat mattress.
Oh, beautiful. I'm in for a good night then.
Well, you could set up my tent.
Kind of big for what it's worth. I was just going to duct tape the door closed when I went in.
Alright.
Is that the right side?
Huh?
No, what are you doing with that?
I'm not sure.
Should have taken off the plastic bag first.
Why?
Better duct tape adhesion.
You're throwing that in the fire?
What?
It still smells like steak over here.
Probably our neighbors.
Fucking starving still.
What?
You guys ate my fucking onion rings.
So you're gonna eat some mayo?
No.
You're shitting me.
No. Taste.
That's no fucking way.
That was gross.
He's still going.
Actually good, you guys. You gotta try this.
Fuck
The
no.
Miracle Whip is awesome.
Is it flavored at least? So what do you think will happen?
Mayonnaise.
Oh, that's we're signing off the lake.
Just a disappointment?
Mike, you want some mayonnaise?
Whole bunch of sparkles, that's what it.
he's eating mayonnaise.
It's good in little bits. Eat too much, you get sick.
Mike, see that duct tape?
Oh, the roll of it in there?
Good.
Oh, fuck.
Wow.
Hey James, you want some mayonnaise?
It didn't take very long. No,
You want some mayo?
I'm good.
Weirdo.
It didn't take very long for it to push up.
Nope.
That was a pretty big blaze. Do it again. Or let's burn some animals.
Burn some animals.
Catch a
Hey
squirrel.
neighbor, you got a dog?
I heard a yappy went out that way a while ago. Eat my bitch.
Hey James, you gotta try some of this mayo.
I know.
Yes you do. You'll love it. I swear to God.
Yeah, look what I found!
Knuckle burner.
Poker.
Knuckle burner.
An extendable poker.
Oh,
It's a plastic animal ass reamer.
Ew.
Plastic animal ass ring.
Yeah, see, we're gonna get some plastic animals and are probably gonna melt them to shit.
You gotta insert sparklers first.
Oh yeah.
And then seal it.
With the sparkler.
Let's get the zebra done first.
On the fawn? What shall he choose first?
A bear.
I don't think it's a bear, it's a safari animal.
Still a bear.
Pear.
gotta love the illiterate.
Hey, there's a hippo.
We have 2 elephants, but maybe elephants is a good.
Stick up the elephant's ass.
At least you won't have to worry about any bugs.
Drop dead of lung cancer.
He'll fall dead right onto Joel.
Are you throwing candles in there?
Getting hot.
$26.60 at the dollar store. For hours of fun.
Probably not fun the way they intended.
They're younger than my.
Smell
whack him in the head.
What?
Lure him in and whack him in the head. Knock him
There
out.
were two hot blocks that just went by on bikes, but they were with a little kid.
Yeah, I've already seen them. One of them is like 15.
Bitch.
The soundtrack to Burning.
Mike, you want some mayonnaise?
Maybe it's out of fluid.
He's very
Yeah,
close.
sure, what the hell.
Alright.
I'll take some mayo.
Alright. Hey, James, go into my box and grab a spoon.
No.
Mayonnaise!
Mayonnaise.
It's not burning.
Anyone have a lighter?
There you go.
Grab it.
Never mind. As much you are.
Now, seriously, can you go in my box and grab a spoon?
Joe, Mike, be done. Grab drinks.
I will, as soon as it's
I'm good for a while.
James, you bastard, can you grab my spoon?
Yeah.
You're gonna eat the mayo too? Oh god.
Oh yeah. I'll give it a try.
It's good, it's Miracle Whip.
Cholesterol.
Yes.
Diabetes in a bowl.
Miracle Whip, it's awesome.
It's diabetes on a spoon is more like it.
Diabetes on a spoon.
More like a heart attack, fucking all flat.
Stroke on a spoon.
Not a spoon.
No, B. John, that's not a command.
Sorry, I can't find the spoon. In my red box.
Your box is red.
Uncle Cor.
Too much play.
Hey, you'd like it too much.
Yeah, you're doing it right. Pull it off. Yeah. I used to be grandpa's box.
One clean spoon.
Yeah, so that's all that left.
Where's it going to? What are you supposed to use for your coffee?
Yes, sir.
There's some of the,
It's honest, it's clean.
came out of the dishwasher.
It was a dishwasher.
No.
That's why it's all scratched up.
You know what it was.
Hey, the candle just turned over.
The candle just turned over.
It just flipped right over.
Mayo-rific.
John, you gotta try something.
Coronary yet?
I don't know, get me a spoon, I might try a scoop.
There's more spoons in the trailer more.
Probably.
I'm pretty sure there's some in that, I'm pretty sure there's some in that Tupperware.
We've said it many times.
I'm pretty sure there's some in the Tupperware.
It's pretty good, man. I think you'll like it.
Coronary soup.
It tastes like mayo, but it's got a little spice to it, so it's not bad. It's a good snack.
Yeah. It's a jack snack.
Jack snack.
Miracle Whip.
Good for the soul, but bad for the heart.
No fooling around. It's whatever the commercial says.
It's good for lube, that's what it
It's good for lube.
Oh, that's funny.
John?
Are both elephants?
Get me a spoon and I'll do it.
I think so.
Hey, Cork.
The giraffe looks cemented.
Hey, bitch, Cork. Could you go into the free food? What's the
Yeah, I'm going to try the Miracle Whip.
What?
No, please.
I'm starting to regret my decision of trying this, but hell, why not? I'm
See?
camping, right?
The drawer, top one.
If I die before this video is aired, please know I lived a happy life.
Pour it in your mouth, John.
Fuck no.
Pour 2 ways, you can grab your spoon, pour it in your mouth.
Here.
Unless you want to use this one. It's pretty clean still.
No, it's okay. Mike's never actually in that way yet.
I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Rite of passage around here, buddy.
Mayo in your mouth there,
So who's your boyfriend?
So how is it?
Not that bad.
John likes mayo in his
It's not all from what I hear.
What you got?
Corey, you got Tesco 42 gas in yourself? No.
Look, everyone else has.
Sure.
Let's do it. Yeah.
Have some hickory flavor.
Yeah.
Yeah, John's going for more. He loves it.
Well, that's the hickory flavored barbecue sauce. I do some hickory flavored barbecue sauce.
You're gonna wait till morning after my morning coffee.
Come on. Come on.
Dave, you want some mayo?
Don't be a pussy.
Try it.
I did more than any of these guys. Come on.
Yeah, I know, but it won't be as gross here. I mean, it'll be grosser if you have that steak.
Yeah, James, do it.
Come on, don't be a pussy.
I'm busy reaming out this elephant.
Reaming out an elephant.
One go. Come on.
All I'll take. Come on, James.
1 spoon then. Not even a gulp, just a spoon.
I'll grab you a spoon from the trailer.
Oh, right across the back of the knuckles. Ow.
Oh. That's too big to it. You know, see if you just would have eaten that mayo, probably wouldn't have happened.
Yep.
Oh, he's raising the fucking thing.
Does the thing have a zoom?
It does, but you have to shut it off before you can eat.
What?
It's totally gay.
That is gay.
It's totally gay. It's Sony though. You gotta cut.
Come on.
Mayo would make you barf.
No, it won't. It's actually really good. It will not make you barf, I can guarantee it. I can guarantee you it will not make you barf.
Maybe later.
It just sounds gross.
Gotta love mayo.
You really think Dave's a bunch of retards drinking mayo?
Did you put seeds on there, or is that
It's dribbling right down his chin.
You gotta try this, man. You gotta try it.
No, I don't.
Just do it.
It's good mayo.
I did it, I'm not doing it.
Best mayo ever.
Don't be like that.
I'm already like that.
James,
Hello?
seriously, try just one gulp. One gulp and we'll leave you alone. Or
Wax
we're gonna
is
bug you.
boiling.
We're gonna bug you all night if you don't take like one gulp.
Fine, whatever. Bother me all night. I don't care.
So gay.
The
You're the one that was
changing
hitting on the
clothes, Jack.
bartender.
Well, yeah, she was hot.
The bartender.
Yeah, she was hot.
Not the waitress.
She's still a bartender. Oh, you're talking about the gay guy.
Wow, that took a while.
Yeah, it just made her feel better about herself. Okay, I'm sorry.
Well, you were chatting up the gay guy?
Up to his ears.
You look like you needed a friend. Okay, I'm sorry.
So you were chatting up the gay guy?
No, I just said, I'll give you the girliest drink out there, and he kind of snickered.
Right, you were chatting up the gay guy.
Nah, he was
Oh,
matter
the
of fact.
Joe's in the closet.
Hey, a lot of fun things have happened in the closet, okay?
Yeah, like anal sex.
Nothing
Awesome.
wrong with being gay.
And that's coming from Cork.
That's a voice of authority.
I don't know how to stop that.
Chicks are into guys who don't sure respect gay guys.
That is true.
What?
Chicks are into guys that respect gay guys.
Why haven't I gotten laid then?
Because you
Do
don't
you
respect
respect
gay
gay
guys.
guys?
Yes, I do. Yeah, they're fine as long as they don't like grab my ass or like look at me or nothing.
Well, you gotta put up with
Or
that.
breathe.
That's part of the
So,
process.
how did you guys break this off?
Hmm?
How'd you break it off in the past?
I was just bending it back and forth.